Reflecting on supply chain management strategy, I have come to understand its critical role in driving business success and resilience. An effective strategy is not just about moving goods from one point to another, but also about creating a seamless flow of resources, information, and value across all levels of the supply chain. One aspect I found remarkable is how a well crafted strategy focuses on efficiency and cost effectiveness while ensuring customer satisfaction. Strategies that incorporate technology like data analytics, artificial intelligence, and automation can optimize processes and enhance visibility across the entire supply chain. I appreciate how these tools help organizations predict demand, reduce waste, and maintain better inventory levels. Another strength is the emphasis on collaboration and partnerships. Building strong relationships with suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders fosters trust and mutual growth, which is essential for long-term sustainability. From this reflection, I have learned the importance of adaptability and innovation in supply chain strategies. A successful strategy is one that evolves with changing market conditions and leverage cutting-edge technologies to stay competitive. I also recognize the value of putting customers and sustainability at the core of the supply chain operations. Moving forward, I believe the supply chain strategies should focus more building resilience, embracing sustainability, and enhancing digital transportations. By doing so, organizations can not only mitigate risk but also create value for customers and stakeholders in a way that benefits both the business and the environment.